Martinez for the 18 Treasures. Is she here? Where is she? Oh, there you go. Let's give her a round of applause, please. Thank you.
When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles from the nice one bed, you just remember.
Happy birthday, Rachel. Okay, I chose this gift because you're a lady, you have to give a break to your sneakers and your flip-flops. You have to train your feet to be... you have to train your feet to those girly shoes.
Let everybody see it.
Ready your cameras, guys.
Ready your cameras.
Got a friend
Hope you like it. Sana kasha siya.
darling, you got a friend in me. Our parents sung a tune, baby, but mine is just
one.
That means traveling. That's a nice gift for you. The second treasure is Jennifer Jovellano.
A destiny, 'cause you got a friend in me. But baby, you got a friend.
Happy birthday. I chose this gift for you because I know you like me, not only that. Because you're now a lady, I know you're more conscious about your appearance, not only that, but out as well. I know you want to smell every time.
Maybe none of them is ever gonna love you the way I do. 'Cause it's me.
Okay, on to the next one. I would like to call in Miss Emilu de Ocampo.
Our love will never die.
May fans club si Ate Enzi.
It's our destiny.
Mapapa na ako upuan.
Rachel, happy birthday. Wala naman akong words of wisdom na gustong i-share sa'yo kasi I've seen you grow up to become a young, mature young lady, a role model not only to your brother and sisters but to everyone around you, bata man o matanda. At ngayong birthday mo, gusto kong i-share na treasure sa'yo ay tools or gadgets na pwede mong magamit sa pagharap mo sa hamon ng buhay. Sana magustuhan mo. Kung kailangan mo ng tulong para mag-gamit, lang mo.
Ano kaya yun? Ooh, let's see it! Makeup brushes! Yeah, dapat may session din na. Nice gift. Charis?
We would like to call on Lisette Felix.
Like a flower bending in the breeze,
Hi Asiel, happy 18th birthday. Ginawa ko tong gift na to because nag-work ka na and you're going to college. So this one will help you to always fresh. Kahit na you look tired and pinagpapawisan ka na. Okay? So, and then there's a card and then you know what I mean. Bahala ka na kung ano pang gusto mong bilhin. Okay?
Stay with me, swing with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, dear, but my eyes will see. cheek when we swear I can hear certain violins long before it begins. Make me feel so
Okay. Napapasayaw na. Ano ba, Ate Charis? Si Mr. DJ, ang galing eh. Ang galing si Kuya. Okay, next up, I would like to call Leia Arasha. Leia?
Other dancers may be on the floor, but my eyes will see only you.
Hi, Chel. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and may God bless you and we love you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Mukhang alam mo yan. Muna buksan.
Never mind. PG ka.
I know what's in there.
Okay na, we know the brand.
You need it too. You need it.
It's okay.
Don't look at his mind.
I think we don't want it. Okay. Next one, Ate Charis.
The sixth treasure. Let's call that Shirley Fernandez. Shirley Fernandez.
Hi, Chel. In behalf of my mom right there, stand up. Stand up. Okay. Happy birthday, and I heard from John that you like this kind of bag, so we can. Happy
Okay, the next one will be Miss Malen Yaneta. Malen or Malen? I wish you all the best in life and God bless. Enjoy your night.
Okay, the next treasure would be coming from Pauline Jimenez. Pauline Jimenez.
Is she here? Pauline Jimenez. Oh, okay. On to the next one is Miss Rona Regino. Rona Regino.
Every dance with the guy who gives you the eye, let him
Happy
hold you
birthday,
down.
Michelle and Gilchrist.
You can smile, every smile for the man who held your hand and the pale light. But don't
The tenth
forget
treasure.
taking you home.
Ay, kilala ko to. The tenth treasure is Marisa Hanti.
Let the music's fine, like sparkling wine. Go and have your fun. Laugh and sing, but while we're
Birthday
apart, don't give your heart up.
tonight. And sorry, I'm not ready. There's a lamb check inside. 1,000 there or 1 million.
I think if I receive a blank check, that would be the best gift of all. Okay, on to the next one is Marinel Malabanan. Marinel Malabanan. Is she here?
I love you oh so much.
No? Okay. Next one will be Nora Crystal, or Crystal. Nora
So
Crystal.
the night is done and it's time to go. If you're all alone, can you walk you home? You must tell me no.
Hi Rachel, I'm your mom's friend. Happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best. May all your dreams come true and God bless you. Stay healthy and happy.
that?
Flying like sparkles. But while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone.
Love and success in the future. And welcome to the womanhood.
Dance for me. So don't forget who's taking you home, or whose arms you're binding. So darling, save the last dance for me. Oh, baby, won't you save the last dance for me?
Big surprise! You wonder what it is.
It's a nice one, right?
Oh, that's a cute one.
What's written in there?
Yeah, Snowblow. Okay, well, they're busy with that portion. So I would like to call the next one, Miss Emily Hobelano. Hobeliano? Hobelano.
Sparkling wine, go and have your fun. Laugh and sing, but while we're apart, don't give your heart.
Happy birthday. I'm glad to see you growing and gorgeous, stunning girl. Happy birthday. Isang surprise
You can dance, go and carry fire till the night is gone and it's time to go. If you're all alone, can he walk you home? You must tell him no. 'Cause
The next one will be DJ Montserrat.
All I can say is happy 18th birthday, and I wish you good luck for the next chapter of your life as a grown woman. Happy birthday.
laugh and sing, but while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone. And don't forget who's taking you home.
Okay, the next one will be Miss Lucy Montserrat.
So darling, save the last dance for me. So don't forget who's taking you home.
I wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
The last dance for me. Oh, baby, won't you save the last dance?
Kailangan yata ng tulong. Mamaya na rin daw. Okay, surprise that, Rachel. Surprise.
Second to the last, Miss Elena Llanes.
Hi Rachel, I wish you a happy birthday and God bless you. No boyfriend muna, okay? Tatapos ka.
Guys, may warning.
Handaan muna kayo, tita. Okay, thank you po. And last but not the least is Miss Marilyn Lacdan.
Hindi daw yan kaya, narinig ko siya.
Kaya mo yan, tita.
Elizabeth.
Ako, ang mahihayin sa ganito.
You don't look like
happy birthday. And tulad ng sabi ng isang lola, hindi pwede mong boyfriend hanggang di tapos. Okay? Dadaan kay lola. Happy birthday.
Guys, may warning talaga. Dalawang warning guys. Warning. Thank you po. Okay, so thank you very much for all. Habang nag-picture taking sila. Thank you po for